a link to this NUMWORKS calculator on our page. And I wanted to show how you could use it to do some of our work on here. So if I press this button, that kind of zooms in on everything. And if I click OK, I'm in the calculation menu, which you can do. You can type in like 5 divided by 6 and press enter, and it gives me the fraction and the decimal. You can even put in bigger fractions, and it'll simplify the fraction and give you a decimal answer. Let me try to make my window a little bigger here. But for today, I really want to show the statistics aspect of it. So I'm going to click the statistics window, which I have to go back. Whoops, back. Where am I at? Back home. I don't know why it's not letting me go there. I'm having issues with mine. Oh, let's try this again. There it goes. Okay, the statistics menu. Press OK, and here I am in the statistics menu. Notice that the first option is for data, and it has a place for value and frequency. There's also a way to put in another value, but right now we're working with one value at a time. So let's say I had 12, so I'm writing down some data values, 27, 26, 27, 25, and 30. And I wanted to know like the mean and all of those things, those one variable statistics. So I'm going to hit the back arrow, and it should put me back up at the top of the screen. I can actually look at a histogram of the data, a back arrow. I can look at a box and whisker plot. But here at the very end is the stats key, and it shows me the number of data points, the minimum, the maximum, the range. So it subtracts the maximum minus the minimum. It tells me the mean, the standard deviation, and that is the population standard deviation. It's got that weird pregnant 6 looking symbol. It's got the variance. It's got the first quartile, which is Q1. It's got the third quartile, Q3. It's got the median. It even finds the interquartile range for you. It gives you the sum of the values, sum of the squared values, and your sample standard deviation. So it gives you all the things you might need. Now, let's say I had some values that had frequencies next to them. So let's say those values, instead of just being regular data, had frequencies in the column next to them. So I'm going to go over here to the frequency column, and let's say there's 2 of these and 13 of these, 14, 15, 17, and 8. I don't know. Well, what if I had a frequency column? Well, I could add that in, then go back up and go to my stats and click OK. And now it takes that into consideration when it calculates the mean and standard deviation and variance and quartiles and median and all of those good things. Now, I will be using this calculator a lot, so I will be showing you how to use this along with the TI-84 throughout the course.